Kasih sepi. Kasih. Palatina Benra.
1, 2, 3. Oke.
And the fire disappears into the mild Doha evening, and the beating drum is eclipsed for sound by tens of thousands from Argentina, whose passion weighs on him. Argentina, 8 years since their hordes crossed the border to the Maracanã, only to retreat with painted faces smeared by tears. Then the world seemed to weigh on Messi. Now, with the wisdom and perspective of rounded maturity, he seems ready for the world. France World Cup finalists for the 4th time in 7, unarguably the preeminent nation of this generation. Winning has become their self-perpetuating habit. And when these nations last met in this manner, it was for a truly glorious game. 9 who start here also started France's glittering 4-3 victory over Argentina at the last World Cup. Started the semi-final. That means a 100th cap for Nicolas Otamendi, and Nicolas Tagliafico preferred at left back to Marcos Acuna. What a pop! McAllister got plenty on it.
Right start from Argentina, not the best chin against Kunde. Di Maria now. Fernandez loses possession and wins it back. Di Maria.
Now Angel Di Maria. Di Maria's cutback has reached Rodrigo de Paul. De Paul strikes! The deflection from Varane flies wide. Mbappe, that's sweet. Rabiot. Good protection for Martinez.
The way he plays those 1-2s at times, it's... There's Romero. There's de Paul. Bringing in Fernandez, chased by Giroud.
Fernandez. Scrolling through for Di Maria, touched on by Alvarez. Di Maria away from Kunde. He's gone to ground, he's got a penalty! Dembele had a little flick. Di Maria went tumbling. And Argentina eye the first massive opportunity of the night. A heartbeat. And Messi! A goal forevermore. Perhaps his moment for infinity.
Kaji, terima kasih.
Bilang hai. Bilang dulu hai. Nama saya Sani. Saya staf juga di PTK.
Sporternya.
Martinez directly to replace Alvarez. Acuna!
Lovely ball into him, wasn't it, by Paredes?
Leo Messi, McAllister, Messi, Martinez, what a block! Montiel! Up and over by Varane.
Well, we've hardly seen Lionel Messi for the past 20 minutes or so. All of a sudden he bursts in.
Acuna shaped into the path of Lautaro Martinez! Who is intent, he should at least have a corner. Goal kick given. Argentina have had the chances. Lautaro Martinez has had the chance. Robust Upamecano is Montiel. Lautaro Martinez, Lionel Messi, Fernandez, Martinez, Messi!
Offside.
Offside flag is up.
Has he given offside?
The referee's given the goal. The referee's given the goal. The little magic man from right on the line.
No offside there. Was it here? No. It's a goal. And that watch on the wrist to the ref does not lie. Lionel Messi perhaps has just scored the winning goal in this World Cup final. So here we go, definitive proof. So tight. The scruff is finished, really, you can imagine.
Out to Mbappe.
Oh, handball.
Shot for handball. He hasn't, has he? He has. Which side of the line? Mbappe.
Dirga anak muda. Konsentrasi.
And France alive again.
Well, we build it as the Mbappe Messi show. And so often in those circumstances the story lies elsewhere. Not tonight. Not tonight. The main men have come to the fore. And we've got deadlock.
Bola, they could counter here, Argentina. It's Messi, and Martinez waits in the middle. Lautaro Martinez wide.
He's panicked, hasn't he, Martinez?
Ramiro tries to keep him wide. Good luck with that. Mbappe.
Sebentar sore lagi. Ya,